How to start a profitable dropshipping business that makes you this much money within 1 month. Hey guys, this is me Rana, and as always this is a step-by-step video tutorial, and if you watch this video all the way through, you will learn how to do a niche research, product research, build a dropshipping store, find a reliable and trustworthy dropshipping supplier, source the product, and finally run Facebook ads effectively to maintain your profit margin. So ready to get started? Let's dive in. In step number 1, we do a niche research. To do a proper niche research, we'll use Google Trends. So go to Google Trends. Here, go to the Explore section and select your country where you would like to do a drop shipping, and the rest of the options should be the same as mine. Now type your search term. I'll use car accessory, but feel free to explore any niche that interests you. Okay, and hit enter. So you can clearly see that the car accessory keyword has steady popularity in United States. So this indicates that the car accessory could be a profitable niche if you follow all the steps that I've mentioned earlier in this video. Now I need to find a winning product. To do this properly, let's go to the website 𝗀𝗁𝗀.com. Link in the video description. This site is one of the best tools to find winning product or exploring the ads over the internet. The great thing about this website, you can find winning product in just 3 clicks. There are many ad spying tools available in the online market, but I choose Mania because it let me see the best performing ads in the market as they happen, and it's easy to use. So let me show you how to use 𝗀𝗁𝗀.com to find your first winning product. To use this amazing ad spying tool, you have to create an account on this website. If you use my coupon code, by clicking on this button, use my promotion, you will get 20% discount for 3 months on premium and starter plans with this coupon code. To get the 20% discount, you can either click over here or anywhere on the video, or maybe right here, and here you can register with your Google account to use this tool. So let me click on continue with Google. So let me quickly log in. Okay, once you register on this website, now you're ready to use this tool. If you're using free trial of this website, you will get 350 credit to use this tool. However, you can use my promo code in order to get your first premium plan or your starter plan. Since I already have a premium account, so I'm gonna log in into my official account. After you log in, you will see several options to help you to find the winning product. If you scroll down, you can see that the top 10 products of the day from Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok. You can choose one of these products only if they are related to your niche. If not, let me show you another way to find a winning product on this website. So come over here and click on ads in the menu section of this website. Here you can see all the ads from Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok. On the left hand side, you will have a filter that allows you to sort the ads according to your preferences. The way I like to use this filter is by first choosing the shop now, buy now in the call to action option. Then I select high engagement based on likes, comments, and share. This way you can see the best performing ads from these platforms. You can also choose the country where you want to start your dropshipping business. Another way to filter the ads by using these buttons. You can check weekly winners, best of the month, recent dropshipping ads, and more. These buttons are pre-made preset filters that you can use to sort the ads quickly. So I'll select weekly winners and Facebook ads, and here you can see several top performing ads. Just scroll through them to see which one is a fit your market. Once you found the winning product, click on see more button to view all the details about it. Once you are satisfied with the product, just click here to view the product page. I'm gonna click on find on Aliexpress just for now. In the pop-up, click on product image, wait for a few seconds, and it will show you the same product on Aliexpress that you can import directly to your store. However, I prefer using Zendrop because on Aliexpress you can't get fast shipping, you also get beaten up packaging. Additionally, you can't get any kind of customer support, which leads to a bad customer experience. On the contrary, Zendrop controls its own supply chain in China with 300 plus employees working directly with manufacturer. Zendrop handles the fulfillment, which let them provide faster quotes, better product sourcing, and more competitive price. Its product catalog has millions of products to choose from. It's ideal for beginners to start selling the viral product right away. The trending product section updates weekly, which is very useful. They also offer hundreds of use-based products with 2 to 5 days shipping time. If you can't find the product in the product catalog, product sourcing expert team will locate the product and will add the product to your product catalog so that you can sell it right away. Additionally, they offer automatic daily fulfillment feature. In the order section, just top up your credit balance and Zendrop will handle the fulfillment for you. Just sit back and relax and enjoy your dropshipping earning. Another great feature of Zendrop is that when user reaches the 10 order per day, they will receive a custom codes and be assigned with a dedicated quoting agent and account manager. To start with Zendrop, just click the first link in the video description and it will take you to their website. On this page, you have to type your email and your card detail and click on Start Free Trial button and grab your Zendrop's Plus account. The best part is, if you use my link, you will get $200 in order credit, priceless e-commerce courses that will make you an expert in your e-commerce business. Additionally, after your trial ends, you will get 50% off for 3 months, which is amazing. Additionally, you will get automatic fulfillment feature, live weekly coaching calls, and more. If you don't use my link and go directly to Zendrop website, here you have to pay $79 per month after your trial ends, as you can see. So don't miss this opportunity. Grab your Zendrop Plus account. Once you created your account with Zendrop, just log in. Before we connect our Shopify store with Zendrop, we need to build it first. Now I want to let you know that to create a dropshipping store with Shopify, you don't actually need to know any kind of coding skills. It's designed for beginners and it's easy to use. To start with the Shopify, just click the second link in the video description and start building your Shopify store for $1 a month for 3 months. Now understand this, store building is a long process, which I've already covered on my another video that you can find in the video description. So take your time and build your Shopify store. So once you're done with it, now connect your Shopify store with Zendrop by clicking on Connect My Store button and then follow the on-screen guide to connect it. Once your store is connected, now import the product from the product catalog according to your niche selection. Once you found the product, then click on Add to My Product button. Now go to My Product section from left hand side. Here you will see all the products that you have selected to import into your store. Simply click on Review and Publish and then click on Publish to My Store. Now your job is to optimize your product page for high conversion. Once you're done with that, let's move to the next part. How to promote the product. Now you have found the product and you have imported it into your store. It's time to promote it. Now you have two options, free or paid. Obviously, free options takes time, but if you're after a quick result, go for paid ads. There are several platforms to run paid ads like Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, or Google Shopping ads, but Facebook ads work best for me. To get started with Facebook ads, you need to set a Facebook business ad account, then verify your domain name, then add pixel to it. Pixel tracks the user behavior on your site. You also need a Facebook page and Instagram account. Before we launch our sale conversion ad campaign, I just want to let you know that very important thing is that you need to warm up your Facebook page or Instagram account first before running your ads. Why? Because Facebook could ban your ad account if you don't warm up. I mean by that, you need to post 7 to 8 video or images on your Facebook page or Instagram account for at least 5 to 10 days. Then consider running your first ad campaign. Once you warmed up your Facebook page or Instagram account with several posts, now it's time to run a conversion ad campaign. To create a conversion ad campaign, first select the sale campaign and then I typically create 3 ad sets with minimum budget of $5 to $10 each. Each ad set contains different audience and I run this campaign for at least 3 days. And now just pause the video and take a look at the following rule for best conversion. On the first day, if I get at least 1 click, I let it run for the next day, and if I don't get any click on day first, I stop the campaign and change the target audience and interest. On the second day, I must have 1 add to cart. If I get it, I let it run for the next day. If I don't get any add to cart, I stop the campaign and start with the day 1, where I need 1 click on a day first. At this point, if I don't get any click, then I consider it non-profitable product. Now let's say on the second day, you got 1 add to cart and you let it run for third day. Now on third day, you must need 1 purchase. If you get the purchase on day 3rd, then let it run until you don't get any purchase. In my advanced Facebook course, I'll show you when to scale your campaign and what is the best CPC for your campaign and so on. Your job is to track your Facebook ad campaign every day. If it doesn't follow the rule, just stop it and try different products. By following this rule, you won't lose your money. I'm planning to create a full dedicated video on Facebook ads for Dropshipper. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, subscribe it so that you won't miss it. And that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you found this video valuable. If so, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, guys, for more awesome videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.